Hi, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to change the air filter on my 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the 4-cylinder model turbo. So it has three screws, which are Phillips and or 8mm. So 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 10mm nut. So first I'm going to loosen up the screws. Put it off to the side. Be careful not to drop it, as I've done that before and it's a pain in the neck to get it out. The second one is here. And the third one is in the back. And now I'll take the 10mm socket, loosen up this nut, take that out, put the nut to the side. Now there's 3 pins in the back that you have to get them to come out. I'll just lift this up so you can see them. They'll have to slide back in again once we put it in. So I'm going to take out the old filter. It's not too clean. Inside is not dirty. If it was filled with leaves or dirt, you could take a vacuum and vacuum it out. But this one looks fine. So I got a nice cleaner one, and you can see there's an angle, so make sure that goes to the front. Slips in there. Now what I'm going to do is, let me just move this out. And this is the STP SA50037, and that's the one that is for this model engine. You could go to the auto parts store, or you could look it up online and it should direct you to the correct filter. Now I just want to make sure I line up the tabs in the back. Sometimes you got to tip it. Okay, they went in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the nut on first, and like I said, you don't want to drop it because it's a pain in the neck to get them out. Going to make that loose for right now until I can get it tight. What I'll do is I'll put them in with my fingers to line it up, and put the socket on and just hold it with my finger and just twist it until I have it in snug. Take the second one, I'll put it back here, and again I'm twisting it with my fingers till it's snug. I want to make sure that I have all 3 in before I tighten anything up, but sometimes it needs to be realigned. I'll put the third one in here. Again, I'll twist it with my fingers until it gets snug. And I'll put the ratchet on, flip it. And these don't have to be super tight. It just should create an air seal so that the air gets filtered that gets into the engine. I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you have any questions or would like me to do anything else, please leave your messages in the comments. And it would greatly help me if you could like and subscribe to my channel. And this is the last one. Tighten it. That's all done. Thank you. Hope this is helpful.